It's raining today in Paris. We're in Montmartre, Pigalle area, riding in the rain. Just had beautiful weather up until now, and then, but hey, that's what happens. So we found ourselves a little spot of shelter because we're in between accommodation. Good ride?
Yeah, great ride. The cycleways are pretty good, and the traffic light system isn't, it's a bit hard to figure out, but there's a lot more cyclists and cycleways in Paris than there were 6 years ago, the last time we came.
It's our new hotel for the next couple of days. Oh, seems pretty fun. We can bring our bikes in here. Oh, perfect. Now, let's get dry.
2 days later.
We're leaving Paris this morning. It's been good, hectic, but ready to go. Packing up the bikes. We're going to follow the Avenue Vert and then get onto the Seine Velo and head towards the coast. What a day. On our way out of Paris. Beautiful part of France on the outskirts of Paris. Lovely and quiet and relaxed out here.
Looks like it's going to be another stinking hot day, but good for riding.
It's a car factory. Just cars forever. This camping is very nice, but about 25 euros a night for both of us. A bit expensive for a tent with 2 bikes, but it did have a swimming pool and we made use of that. So along this bit of the Seine from Paris is a lot of these resort campings. It's nice for families, but we're just basic people, so maybe we can find something a little more up our alley.
Welcome back to Eating with the Hobos. Yeah. Cordon bleu croissant. Little power packs.
We're pushing the bikes up this hill across the arm of the Seine. Like the Seine goes like a snake like that, so we're crossing over so we don't have to do about 20 extra k's. We're only doing 30 k's today instead of 50 this way, but up and over the hill.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Better than the highway.
That quickly descended into a game trail, forest walking track, going at about 60 degrees uphill.
Oh, that's rough.
This one's not in the guidebooks.
That was a bit tough. We're on the top now, I think. Keep following this road?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've saved ourselves about 20 kilometers by coming up over the hill that way. And you can see that the river goes all the way around and comes out here. And that's where we're heading right now, down to the campsite. It's too hot for riding. It's the hottest days of the year. Let's keep going, eh? When it's this hot, there's really only one thing to do, and that's get off the road and find a nice shady spot. And a cold one. You want one?
Yeah, hell yeah. Ooh.
Cheers.